Hello students, myself Dr. Deepak Verma. In this video, I will explain the concept of soil improvement and its necessity. Then different methods and technique to stabilize the soil and explain one method, that is shallow compaction. First of all, what is soil improvement? Soil improvement, it is a method to modify the property of soil and hence improve the engineering properties of soil for proposed purposes. Then what is the necessity of soil improvement? As we know, everywhere soil is not suitable for constructing different structures like highways, railways, dams, bridges, buildings, multi-story buildings. And when the soil is not appropriate for construction of these structures, then it becomes essential to change the properties of soil as per the requirement. So soil improvement is necessary to improve the soil or stabilize the soil. Soil improvement means to increase the bearing capacity, to control deformations and accelerate consolidation, to provide lateral stability, to increase resistance to liquefaction, to increase the strength of soil, to reduce compressibility, reclamation of unusable land, and these functions can be accomplished by modifying the ground's behavior or stabilize the soil either by adding material or without adding foreign material. So soil stabilization, it is the process which improves the physical properties of soil like shear strength, bearing capacity, compressibility, etc. Next, what is the principle of stabilization? The principle of stabilization, first of all, to determine the properties of soil and then check which properties are lacking and ultimately to improve these properties by effective and economical method. And then by using appropriate method of soil stabilization, design the stabilized mix for required stability and durability of soil. Next, what are the methods of soil stabilization? To stabilize the soil, there are different methods on the basis of material addition or without addition of any material, which may be categorized in three groups. First, by adopting geotechnical processes, and this method is called ground improvement. Second, by addition of material, and this method termed as ground improvement. And third is providing reinforcement to the soil, that is called ground reinforcement. And further, these may be grouped as shallow compaction, dynamic compaction, pre-compression, compaction grouting under the category of ground improvement. Then mechanical stabilization, cement stabilization, bituminous stabilization, lime stabilization, chemical stabilization, and use of admixtures under the category of ground treatment. For ground reinforcement, the different methods are reinforced earth, stone column, jet grouting, lime pile, and column lime. Now I will explain the first method, that is shallow compaction. Shallow compaction, it is the oldest method of soil densification. In this method, the soil is compacted at optimum moisture content and to achieve the maximum dry density. The values of this OMC and MDD for particular soil may be obtained by conducting laboratory method. To achieve required values of OMC and MDD in the field, the different equipments are used. The equipments and procedure for this shallow compaction or surface compaction are same as for compaction of soil, which are different types of rollers, that is smooth wheel roller, rubber tire roller, sheep foot roller, vibrating roller, and grid roller. And these are the figures of different types of roller. It is damping roller, it is grid roller, sheep foot roller, smooth roller, pneumatic roller. Other than rollers, dampers are used for compaction and rammers also. The use of shallow compaction are: first is for compacted base, for the construction of road, runway or embankments. Secondly, it is used to compact the soft and loose site before laying any structure. Also, in the case when the depth is less, that is about 8 to 10 meter, this method of shallow compaction is useful. Thank you.